Corpo Monkey works hard selling bentinol. He gets his paycheck and wants to invest it, but he doesn't know how. He looks at all the different options, stocks, ETFs, bonds, and starts to feel nervous. He doesn't know where to begin. But he also knows that keeping his money in the bank isn't a good idea either, because inflation makes his banana savings lose value every year. So what can he do? He could ask his bosses at Berna to help him set up a 401k account. But what then? A 401k is a type of retirement savings account that many employers in the US offer. So what makes it different from a regular savings account? Well, a normal savings account doesn't give you much in return. The interest you earn is usually smaller than inflation, which means your money actually loses value over time. Leaving your money sitting in the bank is like letting your bananas rot. Not a great idea. That's where the 401k comes in. Think of it as a supercharged savings account, faster, stronger, and made to grow. It works kind of the same way. You put money or bananas in now, and when you're older and ready to retire, you take out a lot more. The big difference? Your money in a 401k isn't just sitting there. It's invested in things like stocks, bonds, or index funds. These can grow much faster than a regular bank account. Depending on your employer's setup, you can sometimes choose how your money is invested. That way, if you're a smart investor monkey, you can try to grow your banana pile even more. What's the difference between this and investing on platforms like Bananahood or WeBanana? On those platforms, you don't pay taxes on your bananas right away. The money you put in and the money it earns are tax deferred, which means you pay taxes later, when you take the money out in retirement. The idea is that your tax rate might be lower when you're older. You might wonder, why is it called a retirement account? Good question, smart monkey. The catch with a 401k is that you can't take out your bananas until you're 59 and a half years old. If you take them out early, the government gives you a big penalty, which basically hurts your savings. So avoid doing that if you can. And that's the 401k in simple terms. It's a retirement savings account that invests part of your paycheck for you, and you don't have to do much work. So, how do you use a 401k? Even with all the rules, it's actually pretty easy to set one up. Corpo Monkey starts by signing up for his company's 401k plan. Not every job offers one, and you can only join if your employer has a plan, unless you're self-employed and set up your own. Next, he chooses how much of his monthly pay he wants to put in. Let's say he picks 10%. If he makes 10,000 bananas a month, that means 1,000 bananas go into his 401k. And the best part? It all happens automatically. Once he signs up and his account is created, his employer handles the rest. They take the money from his paycheck and invest it according to the plan he chose. Where does the money go? It depends on the company, but usually it's put into long-term investments, things like index funds, stocks, bonds, and sometimes ETFs. Big financial companies like Banana Rock or Vanguard manage these investments. Over time, these investments ideally grow and compound in the background while Corpo Monkey doesn't have to do anything. He's saving and investing for retirement automatically. So why use a 401k? Because it helps you build your future with almost no effort. Why use a 401k? Some of you clever monkeys might remember that a 401k has tax benefits. But guess what? There's even more to it. Let's talk about employer matching. This is where things get interesting. Some companies will match the money that Corpo Monkey puts into his 401k. That means if he puts in 1,000 bananas, his company might add another 500 bananas. Not every company does this, and the amount can vary. So it's important to check with the HR monkeys to know exactly what your company offers. There's also something called a vesting schedule. This means the extra bananas from the company might only fully belong to Corpo Monkey after he has worked there for a certain number of years. So he should keep that in mind. But even if the company only adds 10% extra, that's still 100 free bananas. Just for doing his job. So next time, talk to your HR rep about the 401k. And if you're looking for a new job in the jungle, make sure to check whether the company offers 401k matching. Monkeys look out for each other. And don't jump out of your seats yet, Because that's not all. You also get tax benefits with a 401k. When you put money into a traditional 401k, you don't pay taxes on that money right away. The taxes are delayed until you take the money out in retirement. So if Corpo Monkey earns 10,000 bananas a month and puts 1,000 into his 401k, the government only taxes him like he made 9,000. And anyone who has worked knows taxes are no joke. They can take a big chunk of your bananas. A 401k helps reduce that amount for now. Corpo Monkey pays less tax today, but he will pay taxes later when he takes money out in retirement. By then, his income will probably be lower, so he'll be taxed at a smaller rate. A 401k also helps build good money habits. Many monkeys, including Corpo Monkey, struggle with saving. He often buys things he doesn't need. Last year, he spent his whole bonus on limited edition sneakers that now just sit in his closet. But with a 401k, the money is taken out of his paycheck before he even sees it. He can't spend it on silly stuff like monkey NFTs. It forces him to save, even if he's tempted not to. This builds consistency, which is one of the most important parts of investing. Being steady beats trying to perfectly time the market. As Warren Buffett said, the stock market moves money from the impatient to the patient. So, should you use a 401k? If you want to save money, pay less tax now, and build good habits, then yes, it's a strong choice. Let's be honest. A 401k isn't for everyone. It has good benefits, but it can also feel limiting if your employer doesn't offer much. This isn't financial advice, but Corpo Monkey personally thinks he would join a 401k if Berna gives an employer match. Free bananas are free bananas. He'd also join if he wants tax benefits now or really dislikes giving bananas to the tax collector. Corpo Monkey also knows he isn't great at saving and buys things on impulse. A 401k forces him to save for the future, even when he makes mistakes. But he would be careful about joining if he needs easy access to his money. For example, if he plans to start a pharmaceutical business with his old chemistry teacher, a 401k might lock up too many bananas. Taking money out early comes with a 10% penalty plus taxes. Corpo Monkey also thinks it's important to pay attention to where his bananas go. If Berna's 401k plan has bad investment options or high fees, that's a problem. And don't forget, investing in a 401k still comes with risk. Just because it has tax benefits doesn't mean it magically grows bananas. If you put all your bananas into something like Excited Ape Boat Club and it crashes, that's on you. If any monkeys are confused, remember this. A 401k is not a magic way to get rich fast. It's also not a scam. It's a tool. It works when you are patient, start early, and save for a long time. It's best for monkeys who want money later in life and don't plan to touch their bananas for many years. A 401k isn't perfect or exciting, but it's one of the most common ways people in the US save money. So when your employer offers to add 5 bananas to your 401k each paycheck, think about taking it. If a monkey reaches retirement with no savings, no bananas, and no plan, things can get very hard. Also, this video is only a simple explanation of how a 401k works. It is not financial advice. Please do not sue the monkey. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments. I'm trying something new and would love your feedback.